Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use string replace method in JavaScript. Without any further delay, let's start. First, I will create a variable named str. In this variable, I will take a string learn code. I don't want this code word. I want to replace this code word. I want a string learn JavaScript instead of learn code. For this, I will use replace method. Replace method takes two parameters. First parameter, it will take search value. I want search code. And second parameter, it will take new value which you want. I want JavaScript instead of code. Now console, what I got, value change? No, value not change, value remains same. But why the value not change? Because this method does not change the original string, and you can see here I console here original string, and this method first replace that word and return a new string, and this is a new string which I got from this method. Now I want to keep this new string in a new variable. Let new str, and now I console again. And you can see string change learn JavaScript which I want. Guys, you have to remember 2 points about this method. First point is that this method does not change the original string, and second point is that this method first replace that word and return a new string. Okay, let's do one more example. Let str1, and I will take in learn. I want learn coding, and I don't want this coding word. I want to replace this coding word, and you know that this method does not change the original string, so I will take a new variable, new str1. Okay, and str1 replace first parameter coding, and the second parameter I want here JavaScript. In console new str1, and you can see I want learn JavaScript. Okay guys, you have to remember this method does not change the original string, and this method first replace that word and return a new string. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you like my video then subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.